Righty then, let's see if we are live. We dropping frames? We are dropping frames. We are dropping a lot of frames. Let's refresh again. Okay, looks good. Or does it? Actually dropping so many frames. Holy shit. My upload speed is like god awful right now. Let's take a look at networking. Wow. Super unstable internet right now. 71% drop of frames. Huh. Let's try. Let's see if we can find this. And I also want to do. Okay, so let's see if this stream is even slightly stable. Let's take a look. Let's turn on the quality. I mean, it doesn't even seem that bad, to be honest. I guess we'll give this a try. So this. We'll get rid of that. We're working on serialization. Okay. So let's see what else. I guess I should close this. Link. Alright, so we tried to compile, but it gave me an error. Static assertion fails to recognize serialized functions. Larger makes it a little bit smaller. Okay. So what's the issue right here? It's possible that... Holy crap, look at this. It is clearly not. Static assert traits detail. I don't... What is this fucking error, dude? Our instantiation of type archive type output archive CT to DQ. Okay, so it's the DQ that's actually failing here. I think. Let's sort of look that up. I don't know if I have an easy solution for that. Missing DQ. Wait, maybe I need to, hold on. Let's go to, so I need to open this anyway. So let's go here, it's under support classes. To that H. So here we have included things like zero types vector. So what if I include right here DQ? Right? Is that how you type that? This is the wrong thing. Oh god, dude, there are so many fucking files right now. Order queue, there it is. Yeah, it's DQ. Okay, so let's see if it accepts that. Because like a DQ is not even that complicated. I don't think it's something that a lot of people use, but oh, you know what? I should also well. Oh yeah, right. I was also gonna do the other things. Oh wait. C++. Let's have a quick start thing. It doesn't look like it lists. Oh, it does list DQ right here. Hey, good shit. It also includes unordered map. I think I should add that one too. Unordered map. And I also want to include the other types of serialization, because I think I actually do want to use XML for some things. Primarily, what do I want to use XML for? I want to use XML so I can actually edit things easily. Yeah, that seems reasonable, right? So let's take a look here. These are the other types. So I don't know if I should use like, I don't know, XML or JSON. Let's just include both and try both and see which one I like better. Okay, now I want to make another just off stream. This is going to be the XML one. And make one for, so this is mostly just testing. I'm not really developing anything right now. JSON. I guess I should make those files too. It's pretty simple. XML. Yep, that's fine. JSON. So I guess I don't really need to, I don't need to read out of these, I guess. That's not really useful. Oh yeah, I need a new archive, of course, for all of these. Copy this, like right here. One, two, or archive 1, 2. And we are archiving the same file every time, that's fine. Okay. Compilation is so slow. Let's see. Still not done compiling. It's also still telling me I'm dropping a lot of frames. 20 FPS. According to OBS, I have like 76% drop frames right now, which is, well, that's pretty fucking awful. Oh god, this is so goddamn slow. I really should do something about this. Like, I don't know how, but I feel like I kind of want to just like be able to just stop recording and start recording again, or stop streaming and start streaming, like in a way to sort of just like cut out these random silences. But I don't know if that is like possible. All right, whatever. So first of all, we're gonna BR right after it loads the unit. Run it. So we can't see out unit. I didn't ever wrote a see out for unit, and I don't think it's really useful to. Interestingly enough, I think the see out I could actually use serialize for that. Okay, now I'm gonna print unit 2. Oops, that's not, but it's actually T2. Let's see, it all looks good. T2 name workflow, yeah, seems fine. Looks good. Now let's take a look at those XML files that the XML and the JSON file I just created. Doesn't look like XML at all. Why is it just binary? That's weird, right? What about the other one? JSON. Same shit. That's weird. Oh wait, I'm actually being stupid. This still says binary output archive. Okay. That was my bad. So instead of binary output archive, we have to do XML output archive. And I mean, I'm just gonna guess here that this JSON is all caps. Fortunately, this does mean we have to compile again. But it does look like it's working. So if all of this is successful, what does that mean for, well, everything? Well, I'm still going to keep using the init system I wrote, just for things like settings. At least for now. I don't see any reason to just like fully rewrite that. God damn. Fucking laptop is making so much noise, dude. Like a fucking jet engine. So yeah, this this fucking thing that I created. It's gotta stay in for sure. Just because it's not really useful to just rewrite it to something that is really, it's not that different. I mean, it is different, obviously. XML and JSON are obviously like different formats that look different and work differently. But functionally, it works the same, and there's just no reason to move away from this. At least for these basic things. Actually, this stuff like units, this is actually kind of fucked. This is like not used. This is kind of awkward, which is partly why I'm working on this serialization thing, and it's just easier overall, and I think it'll save me time in the long run. And but yeah, that's actually kind of it. So what I'm thinking right now is I'll have one vector. And I'll just show that. It's just gonna be a vector of units. No wait, it's probably gonna be a map. Maybe, yeah. I think it makes sense to make it a map. And this map is gonna contain every unit. I'm probably gonna do the same thing for walls. Unordered map. I mean, really, what actually would be kind of cool if I just make like one unordered map. Wait, does that make sense? No, that's probably not a good idea. Just make like one map for every data type. I think it's a good idea. Is that a good idea? I kind of like having it all in one map. It is kind of useful. I'll need to think about that. I'm not sure. Because the nice thing about having everything in one big map, so right now, what I was doing before is I put all the data into one map, but as strings, which is obviously inefficient. Like, but whatever, it doesn't matter. It doesn't affect the performance of the game even a little bit. Let's see if recently opened is still a thing. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, look at this. Unfortunately, it doesn't name the values. Ah, that's annoying. Fuck. Do I want to see if XML works? Oh God. I don't know about you guys, but this is clearly the uglier format. JSON is obviously superior. Yeah. Obviously. This is look at this right here. This is like the ability cooldowns, I think. These are the abilities. So here's the real fucking big question. Do I want to fucking do I want to add names to this? You know, I kind of think I do actually. Let's do that. Let's do it like at least to some degree, like the important stuff, or like not the important stuff, the simple stuff. I can add names to. Like right here. Wait, how does this fucking archive thing work? Can we go to... Because, okay, wait a minute. Let's go to serial archive. I wanna look up some documentation here. And I'm going to see exactly what the syntax is here, because if we look at this example, serial NVP. What the fuck is NVP? This name is way better. Some entity. Oh shit! Okay, I just figured it out. Okay, so we should use serial NVP around all of these things. Let's try that. Let's just immediately compile and see if this works. Because if it's the same name as the, if it's just the same as the variable name, that is totally fine. I can live. I like that actually. Next is rect. I kind of wish there was a hotkey for select word, and there probably is, I just don't know it. Whatever. Boom. So it's not giving me a error just yet, a compile error. But it might still. So really what I want to call here is just get rect. Which actually doesn't exist. Or does it? Yeah, it does. Cool. And I don't need to do this either. Now around this. It's finally done. Let's run it. Let's just wait for it to load the menu. Okay, close this. Just close that. Let's take a look at the files again. XY. So some values could have names. Look at this Q, no order Q. Oh yeah. I totally forgot one. I forgot order. You know what? I'm gonna look up the hotkey for select word. Obviously, this is all gonna load very slowly. Control D. No, that does something else because I changed it. Fuck. Let's take a look. Better look. Select line. Select word. Control D. Fuck. Okay, so I guess I have to change that. I don't know if I want to do it right now. Yeah, for me, Control D is a copy line. So let's try that. Let's fucking do it anyway. Preferences, key bindings. So I'm gonna look for CTRL plus D. Find under expand. What is this shit? Find under expand. Is that what it's called? I guess I should capture this. No capture, there it is. I'm blind. Okay, so here's the fucking settings. So apparently the default setting is occurrences, context, multiple editing. So select word is supposed to be controllable D. This is find under expand. You know what? I'm just gonna assume that's correct. Oops, wrong one. Yeah, some of these fucking descriptions of what this does are actually very cryptic. So let's under instead of Control D, let's do. Okay, so let's see what duplicate line used to be. This used to be Control Shift D. Sure, we'll do Control Shift D. It's not that bad. Yeah. Okay, so let's try this now. Hey, it works. Sweet fuck, yes. Okay. Nice. Okay, cool. Let's go back to adding serial MVP everywhere. Ah, yay, fun times. Okay, well, this is once again stupid. All I need to do here is... Okay, that's not what I need to do. Oh, that's one over now. Yeah, okay. Workflow equals improved. Kind of. Why does this also have a redefinition of get rectangle? Okay, whatever. I'm not gonna question this. Object, get object. Return this. Real simple shit. Wait, I should not have done that. Yeah, this is gonna be fun, guys. Oh god, all these break lines are gonna be fucked now because. Okay, so I think what I want to do is this. Fuck. definitely the fucking fastest way to do this if I don't keep... I don't know, this is kind of awkward for my hand. Hitting shift and 9, which is really... Well, it's awkward. I need to let go of shift every time too. I don't know. Honestly, it might be worth just moving this to like a different hotkey combination because you use it so much when programming. Like normally on the keyboard, it's like shift and 9. That's like so awkward. It's like one of the farthest things from anything. It's like one of the most difficult key combinations. Clearly, this is not a high priority on a keyboard. I don't mean it's actually difficult, but it's just like so far away. Like it's retyping with 2 ends, it's not that bad, but fucking using the mouse and fuck, dude, goddamn. Whatever. God damn it. Okay, we're finally fucking done. This is just busy work. And again, it's not like this is gonna take that long. So one of the nice things about this serialized thing is that it's just this it's literally just this function. That's all there is to it. There's no like saving and loading are not separate things, which, you know, in some cases could actually be useful, but in this case it's not necessary. And yeah, I like that. I like that for sure. Because if I ever need to add, if I ever decide to add or remove anything, I only need to remove it here, right? And, you know, everywhere where I use it, but, you know, presumably. Yeah, if I you know, I decide like I need to add a different, you know, class variable. Yeah, this should totally not be here. This should be like right here. If I ever decide I want to add another, you know, any kind of class variable, all I need to do is add it here, and it works. Obviously, I need to recreate all of the archives I created. Is that a big deal? You know, that's actually kind of wrong. I don't know. Think about it. Okay, so let's compile. Probably gonna be an error. Oh, fucking compilation, dude. God damn. Hmm. Okay, looks good. Let's take a look at this JSON thing. Let's see if I forgot anything. I did forget something. Animation. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Totally, I did forget to do the animation class. If I can find it. There it is. Whoops. Fuck, what was that again? Serial MVP or something. Yeah, there it is. Can't quite reach this if I use this. If I use a regular shift. Fucking. So awkward. Okay, whatever. Anything, any more values? It's just these 8? No, there's more. Value 6? Oh no, this is also part of animation. What is this? Oh, of course, the actual unit itself. Haha. Yeah, let's call it get object, get recto or get rect. But that's okay. Like I get what's going on there. I don't need to. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, like this is editable, right? Like you know, I'm like, oh, I need to add, I need another boolean. And it's like what? enter. Fuck you. Underscore. False, comma. Now I can do the, and now I can add it to, I do think the order actually here probably matters. I was thinking, like, if I want to add a new thing, I can't, like, edit it right away. But that's, like, not that big a deal. All I need to do is add it to the base class, archive once, then it's just there. It's gonna be like a 0 or something. Then I can edit it. It's not a big deal. I think this is actually totally fine. And then I can use a string. Yeah, I kind of like that idea. So right now, the way ability works is, okay, so ability is something that can actually spawn units, right? No, I do not want to save the modified changes. I want to see the modified changes. It's still here, what the hell? Am I stupid? Did it not compile or something? Yeah, so ability has a pointer to a unit that is on the stack. Oh god, this is embarrassingly stupid the way I did this, honestly. So unit has an enum. Too, yeah. No, that's also stupid. Honestly, as dumb as it sounds, strings are fucking way easier. Easier to debug. And like, it's not like you're actually like typing on strings. I mean, you are in some cases, but I guess there is some risk there. Maybe I should just use enums. I need to think about that. So my thought here is, right, I want to create like a map. Yeah, probably going to be an unordered map of units, and then like probably an unordered map of abilities. And then they're going to link to each other based on the key instead of using pointers, which was fucking just an awful idea. I should never have done that. And then I could just put those maps, I could just put them on the stack. That's not a big deal, even though I probably don't even need to. Or, I mean, I could put them on the heap. Even though I probably won't. I should just put them on the stack. Like, there's just no reason not to. There's no way I'm getting Stack Overflow. And, what else do I need to do? Walls. Walls are a little bit trickier, actually. Actually, the walls are easy aren't even that hard either. Yeah, I think this is a good idea. So, opaque data type is a closure point. Yeah, I think so. We're gonna be rewriting. We're gonna be rewriting our not our init system, but we're just gonna be rewriting the way units are loaded into the map. Yep, we're gonna create a map for units that's gonna be called like unit types. It's gonna contain one copy of each unit. Then there's gonna be a map called abilities or ability types, and again, this is gonna contain one copy of each ability. Then there's gonna be a map walls, and this is gonna create vectors of walls that will be added. Then I'm gonna say fuck it and make it all string, make all those keys strings, because enum is, it's just kind of awkward. String is just easier. Should I really do that? I don't know. I'm really having a hard time deciding between string keys and, honestly, I should just choose enums. It kind of makes more sense anyway. Yeah, it makes more sense. So then, they all point to each other, right? Units have pointers to abilities, but not actually pointers. It's just going to be an enum. So it's going to be good. Yeah, I think this is good. Honestly, enumeration, using enums probably makes more sense than strings. Okay, so I'm gonna take a short break now, and then I'll do that.